Okay, so we know that this reading is going to be short and sweet today. Just a quick review before we get started on our assessment. So we are on day 5. Our daily language sentence today says, "That's close. We stopped at the stop sign. The other car almost didn't." We got to fix that up. Lots of mistakes here, boys and girls. We want to say, "That was close." Exclamation point. Pretty exciting. We stopped at the stop sign, comma, but the other car, almost only one L, didn't. Okay? Lots to fix up there. Make sure you have it fixed up. Make sure your name and number is at the top of that page, and that's going in your folder now so it can come back to me to be graded. Unit 5 is all about taking action. Our big idea, what are ways people can take action? How do teams work together? Reading through our vocabulary all together. Renewable. Something that is renewable can be made again. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Natural. When something is natural, it is found in nature, not made by people. Pollution. Pollution is harmful materials that make something dirty. Produce. To produce is to make or create something. Replace. To replace is to take the place of. Sources. Sources are where things come from. Traditional. Something traditional is most common or expected. Our grammar review. Pronoun, verb, contraction. A contraction is a shortened form of 2 words. An apostrophe replaces letters that are left out in a pronoun, verb contraction. She's my sister. She is, I popped out, we replaced it with an apostrophe. Remember, here are some common contractions. Please read these with me. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. You are, yours. I am, I'm. We are, we're. They are, they're. I have, I. Contractions are formed with a pronoun and a helping verb, such as is, have, or will. I'll go change and then we can go. I'll. I plus will, we popped out the WI, replaced it with an apostrophe. Please read these contractions with me. I will, I'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. We will, we'll. You will, you'll. It will, it'll. They will, they'll. Remember, you can't confuse the possessive pronouns with the contractions. Contractions, it's your and their, have an apostrophe. The possessive pronouns, it's yours and their, do not have an apostrophe and they're showing ownership. Okay, that brings us to the end of our slideshow for today. You now are going to be given those directions. They're there on your Google Classroom that you need to go to your Connect Ed. Go to your to-do circle, hit My Test, and you're going to take the vocab and comp test. It is Unit 5, Week 5. You can find it there. You also are going to want to open up your big books, your literature anthology books, to page 456. It's all in the wind. Your comprehension questions are coming from this selection today. It's a short one, so dive in, get the right answers. I'm also asking that when you're on that to-do circle, you're going to hit your My Test, and you're going to finish your Unit 4 test. We have worked quite a bit of this already. So I want you to finish your Unit 4 test. Whatever you do not have done, I want you to finish it. Remember, this is a good prep for the MSTEP. You're going to have a lot of questions like these ones on the MSTEP. Take your time, read the selections, and do your best. Okay? Work hard, boys and girls.